Hello dear students, today we are going to start exercise 11.2. The first question is, the shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. So what do we have to do first? First of all, let us draw the top of the table. So the picture is here. The top of the table is like this. It is a trapezium with one side measuring 1.2 meter, the other side 1 meter, and the height between them, the distance between them is 0.8 meter. So here directly we have to write the given measures. What all things are given? Given L1 is equal to 1.2 meter, L2 is equal to 1 meter, and height is equal to 0.8 meter. Now directly write the formula to find the area. So what is area of trapezium? The formula is half into h into L1 plus L2. What is h? H is 0.4 meter. L1 is 1.2 meter, L2 is 1 meter. So here h is 0.8 meter. So area is half into 0.8 into 1.2 plus 1, that is 2.2. So when you do cancellation here 1.1. 11 8s are 88, and you have here 1 decimal digit and here also 1 decimal digit. So total 2 decimal digit. So the answer is area is equal to 0.88 meter square. Now the second question is, the area of a trapezium is 34 centimeters square. So what is given? Area of trapezium is already given. What is it? 34 centimeter square. Now, and the length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter. So any one side you can mark it as 10 centimeter. And its height is 4 centimeter. So height, any one height you mark it as 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. That means L2 we have to find out. So area is equal to half height into L1 plus L2. From that actually other two measures are given, three measures are given actually. Area is given, height is given, L1 is given. So you have to find L2. So we know that half h into L1 plus L2 is equal to 34. Here h is already given, half into 4 centimeter into L1 is given as 10 centimeter plus L2 is equal to 34. Now here whatever values you know you have substituted. Now when you do here cancellation, 2 into 10 plus L2 is equal to 34. So using solving equation, see how will you do? 10 plus L2 is equal to, this 2 will go to the other side. So it will become 34 upon 2, which is equal to 17 centimeter. So if 10 plus L2 is 17 centimeter, what is L2? L2 is equal to 17 minus 10, which is equal to 7 centimeter. So the other side, other parallel side is length of the other parallel side is equal to length of the other parallel side is equal to 7 centimeter. Now let us see question number 3. Let us read the question. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is 48 meter, CD 17 meter and AD 40 meter, Find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel side AD and BC. So, what all informations are given? Let us write first. What is given? Length of the fence of trapezium ABCD, that is the total length. What is that called? The total length of the boundary is called perimeter. So, what is given in the question? Perimeter of ABCD is given as 120 meter. What is it? 120 meter. So, perimeter of the trapezium is obtained by adding all four sides. Now, what other information is given? BC is equal to 48 meter. Then CD is equal to 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter. So, this information is already given to us. So, we know that AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is the perimeter, okay, is equal to perimeter, which is equal to 120 meter. Now, out of these four sides, we know three sides and also we know the sum. So, let us first substitute. We do not know AB, side AB we do not know. So, we will keep it as AB. BC is 48, CD is 17, AD is 40 and the total is 120. So, let us add all these parts. What will you get? AB plus, let us add 7 plus 8. What is 7 plus 8? 15. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 4, 100. Okay, 10. So, total 105 is equal to 120. So, from the here we get AB is equal to 120 minus 105, which is equal to 15 meter. So, we got all the sides now. Now, we have already done one part of the question. The second part is to find the area of this field, which is in the shape of a trapezium. For that we know all the four sides and we have to find the height of the trapezium. We know that AD and BC are parallel side, it is already given in the question, and it is also given the perpendicular distance between AD and BC is 15 meter. So, what is meant by perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance between two lines is the height between them. Okay. So, we have L1 is equal to 48 centimeter, L2 is equal to 40 centimeter and height H is equal to 15 meter. Now, find out the area. Area of trapezium is equal to, what is the formula? Area of trapezium is equal to half H into L1 plus L2. So, half into, what is H? 15. L1 is 48 and L2 is 40. So, when you do simplification, 15 multiplied by half into 40 plus 48 is 88. So, 88 will be 44 into 2. So, that cancellation over. Now, 15 fours are 60. Again 15 fours are 60 plus 6, 66 centimeter square. So, this is the area of the given field. Now, question number 4 is the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter. So, it is of any quadrilateral. So, you can draw any quadrilateral shape. Okay, not compulsory trapezium or any figure. You can draw any figure of your choice. So, this is the figure. Okay. One diagonal is given, any one diagonal you can draw, which is 24 meter. So, this is 24 meter. Now, what information, other information is given and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices. That is, here these two vertices, opposite vertices are joined by one diagonal. The other two opposite vertices are these two. So from there, if you draw a perpendicular, one perpendicular, if you draw from there, that is 8 meter and 13 meter long. So one is 8 meter, and from here when you draw, it is, so this perpendicular is 13 meter. So you have one diagonal which divides the field into two triangular shaped fields. So here for this diagonal, height of this triangle is 8 meter and height of this triangle is 13 meter. So how to find the area of any quadrilateral? We have learned what is the area. For area, what do we need? We need one diagonal and two perpendiculars to them, that is two heights, corresponding heights. So diagonal is equal to how much? 24 meter. Height 1 is 8 meter and height 2 is 13 meter. See, diagonal is of 24 meter, height 1 is 8 meter, height 2 is 13 meter. Now what is the formula to find the area? Area is equal to half into diagonal into height 1 plus height 2, that is half into, what is diagonal? 24 into 8 plus 13. So when you simplify, what do you get? 2 12s are. So 12 into 13 plus 8. How much? 21. So when you multiply, what do you get? 12 ones are 12. 1 left. 12 twos are 24 plus 1, 25 meter square. So you get 252 meter square. Now let us see question number 5. Again, the diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the area. It's a direct question. First you have to draw a rhombus. A rough figure will do. Whenever you get a sum, if you draw the rough figure, you will get an idea. See what all things are given. This is a rhombus. One diagonal is 7.5 and the other diagonal is 12 centimeter. And we know that area of rhombus, what is the formula? Is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So what is diagonal 1? Half into diagonal 1 is 12 and diagonal 2 is 7.5. So when you do the cancellation, 6. So 6 5s are 30. 3 left. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. Here only one digit after the decimal point. So here one decimal point. And it is centimeter. So centimeter square. So what is the area of that rhombus? It is 45 centimeter square. That's all for today. Thank you.